Hello children. So this is the third video, grade 7, July 2024, paper 1, third video. By any chance, if you have not watched the earlier two videos, so please pause this video and find the other two videos and go through them, because in this video, we are discussing the part C, right? We are discussing the part C. Right, so for 20 pieces of cake, you need 500 grams of dates and 4 eggs. 4 eggs cost 200 rupees. From 1 kilograms of date, how many pieces of date cake can be made? Now, if you have 500 grams, right, that you can just show that with 500 grams of dates, you can have 20 pieces, right? You can have 20 pieces. You can have 20 pieces. So then we first of all, we want to identify 1 kilogram is what? It is 1000 gram. Okay. So then if it is 1000 gram, that what will be, it should be double. The number of pieces should be double. So then 20 multiplied by 2 equal to 40 pieces. So that means if you have 1 kilogram of dates, you can have 40 cake pieces. What is the price of an egg? So then here they have mentioned 200 rupees. It is 4 eggs. So then you want to divide this by 4 and you get the answer. The answer is, it is 50 rupees. Find the price of 12 such eggs. The price of 12 such egg. The one egg is 50, and if you want to have 12, so then you multiply this by 50. Can you remember that we had something 12 multiplied by 5 into 10. We did this when you were in grade 6. So then the 12 into 5, it is 60. Then you write 60 into 10. Then we write rupees 600. Right? So that is how it works.